Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you today? I hope I'm good. Here with a project share. I made this on a live today, and all I made it out of was one of these little paper bags. Now just remember, if you do choose to make this bag is flat. And what I mean by flat is this how it looks on the edge and compared to one of these. That's the difference. I don't have a, oh, I got a bigger one I can show you. Here we go. See the difference? See? Just so you're aware. But I imagine you can make it with this as well. Alright, so I just wanted to share what I made. So I started out this morning and I tried to stitch. My sewing machine needle broke and I can't get a new one to stand, so I'll have to have my husband look at it. But I decorated and I was stitching down the center. I have a pocket here. So that's the first one I did. I'm going to, once Scott gets the needle back in there, I'll stitch this. And I'm just going to cover that and tidy that up. And then I'll have that one. But here's the one I did on live. I used 3 Velcros. And I'm thinking, and I have to find them, I swear I have these magnet stickers to stick a magnet down here instead and cover it with the paper. So you don't have the Velcro, you'd have the magnet. And I decorated it with paper. And I just got a little from right here. And then I just used some computer paper and I cut it and I stitched it in. And then I've got a little pocket. What do I have to put in there real quick? Hang on. You can put coupons or whatever, because I'm going to carry mine in my purse actually. Boom. And I could put a pocket here if I wanted. And there we go. That's what this one looks like. And then you just close it up. And I took this one of these little Dollar Tree pins and I just put some double-sided tape on and I wrapped it around so it matches the paper here. And I just got it kind of stuck in a corner. And I added extra little ribbon hemming off the edge just to give some details. And just a little paper clip I made with the same string I used to tie this inside, where you can mark what page you're on. You can journal in this, write your grocery list, or whatever you choose. I think it'd be cute just to make, and then when you put it in a center pocket, in a journal or a pocket itself, and there's an extra journaling spot. So that's the one I made online. Then, sitting here watching a movie, I tried laying down because I had a slight headache and it didn't help. So I'm watching a movie. I should say, it's not, well, they turned it into a movie. I haven't seen that one yet. And I'm watching on Netflix series Downton Abbey. Yeah. So this is this little paper bag. Okay. And once I got this all made, I trimmed off this edge here, if you're wondering. So it sits like this. And I just made a little thing to enclose it. And all I did is I put paper and glued it all around, except I left this spot open so this just slides in. When you open it, it's a pocket here. Got some little ephemera in here, just to show you. I made this pocket on this side. This side was the flap, and I did this one. So I got some stuff in there. And then on this end opens. I just got some goodies in there. And then this side also has a pocket and some goodies. And then you just enclose it. And that is made with this pocket, this little bag. All I did is fold it over, decorated it. I decorated this piece. I even put a piece in here. If you look, you can, oops, it's out. you can see that I actually have it decorated inside the pocket as well. It's hard to see, but I did put a piece of paper underneath the flap, and then I glued this down so I had that mini pocket, and then I covered that, and then what I did is I just cut very close to the edge to make another edge pocket, and then I decorated it. And the one thing I did is on the inside here, as well as in here, I glued the flaps down. You could leave them open if you want. This side is a little more freer, okay? This side is not. So I just glued that down so it's flat. And I stick this little embellishment box. Wouldn't that be cute? You fill it up with a little bit of embellishments like I did, and the person receives it, and then they can use it wherever they choose. Got little pockets. Yeah. And then I can close it like that. So that is my project share for today. I hope this gives you a couple of ideas to do with the little paper bags. Like I said, once Scott gets my needle fixed, I'll restitch this and finish decorating it. Yeah. And tidy that up. I'll probably just take a piece of paper and kind of bend it over so you don't see that, because that really ate through the machine for some reason. I don't know what was going on with my sewing machine this morning. It did not like me. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Happy 4th of July!